can wash out 44 pairs of socks and have them hanging out on the line. I can starch and iron 2 dozen shirts before you can count from 1 to 9. I can scoop up a great big dipper full of lard from a dripping can. Throw it in the skillet and go out and do my shopping, get back before it melts in the pan. 'Cause I'm a woman, W-O-M-A-N. I'll say it again. I can rub and scrub till this old house is shining like a dime. Grease the car, feed the baby, and powder my face at the same time. Get all dressed up and go out and swing till 4 a.m. and then lie down at 5, jump up at 6, start all over again. 'Cause I'm a woman, W-O-M-A-N. I'll say it again. If you come to me sickly, you know I'm gonna make you well. If you come to me hexter, baby, I'm gonna break that spell. If you come to me hungry, I'll fill you full of grits. If it's loving you need, I'll kiss you and give you the shivering fits. 'Cause I'm a woman, W-O-M-A-N. I'll say it again. 'Cause I'm a woman, baby, you know I'm gonna make you well. If you come to me hexter, baby, I'm gonna break that spell. If you come to me hungry, I'll fill you full of grits. If it's loving you need, I'll kiss you and give you the shivering fits. 'Cause I'm a woman, W-O-M-A-N. Oh, I'll say it again. I've got a $20 gold piece that says there ain't nothing I can't do. I can make a dress out of a feed bag, make a man out of you. 'Cause I'm a woman, W-O-M-A-N. I'll say it again. 'Cause